Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is an urgent message to everyone. If you know you have an account number, a bank account number, whether it is e-banking, whether it is normal banking, you have, pay attention to this because it will affect you or affect someone around you. You don't need to lose what you have. These two tips I'm going to give you now is one, if you have an account number, you have an account in any bank, whether it is GTB, whether it is EcoBank, Union Bank, UBA, anyone, any bank you operate in, whether it is PAMPay, it is Money Point, is Bagzi, or it's Parallax, or you are in Lapo, anyone, please pay attention. And if you are looking for a job, it is happening. If you are looking for a job, pay attention. Pay attention. Don't say nobody did not tell you. And immediately you are getting this information, share it across to everyone. Everyone, because almost everybody has account. Almost good number of people are looking for jobs, so that you will not be a victim. Pay attention. I have come to give you this. Pay good attention and follow this video till the end. Don't fall a victim. Don't fall a victim. They are rampaging, doing all manner of things against people's wish. Here is where we preach the gospel. Gospel is whatsoever somebody hears and become happy in his heart. That is gospel. And we must tell you the truth how these things are happening. Good attention to these two things. Number one, if you have an account in Nigeria, you have an account in Africa, pay attention. All these young boys are there now ready to engulf everything. See the way they operate. This is the way they operate now. Pay attention. The BVN is allegedly hacked. Pay attention. BVN is what? Allegedly hacked. That is what we are hearing. And also not only hearing, there are testimonies that this BVN has been hacked. Many people are now victims. Pay attention. If you have an account in Money Point, you have in OPay, you have in PAMPay, you have in Bagzi, you have in Parallax, you have in EcoBank, Union Bank, whether you have in any bank at all, somebody will call you and tell you that they are giving loan or they are giving money to people. When they tell you they are giving money to people, they are going to tell you your names, your activities, all the things in your bank account. And they are going to tell you, send a code that we will send to you, or request that you send them your PIN. Please don't do that. Don't do that. If you try it, in the next minute, your account will be siphoned. Don't do that. Tell your children that is up to age that has account. They should not relate their bank account, any account detail to anybody. Anybody that call them, tell them, yes, I have heard you. I will go to my bank and verify. They have all your details because the BVN has been hacked. Even your NIN is open. There is nothing in the internet space that is hidden. Don't share your code with anybody. Some will tell you that your account has problem, that they want to fix it. They are calling you from EcoBank or any other bank. I am not indicting any bank, but this is how they operate. I am a witness to it. They have called me severally. But as a person who knows what it takes to run away from these people, I was not able to be a victim of this circumstance. Please, whoever that will call you, even from your bank, They say, I am your bank manager. I am your bank this. Please, once you don't know that person is not your bank manager, is not your bank, your account manager, you don't know him. They are delegated with so person. Don't you ever do that. Are you hearing me? Secondly, if you are looking for a job, they are rampaging. They everywhere. All these things I'm saying now is, I have seen it severally in Kenya. It is even rampaging in Nigeria and so many other countries in Ghana. It is in Kenya and it's everywhere in Ghana. Fake alerts, they are doing it in Ghana. I know all these things. I have seen all these things. They are doing it in Ghana. They are doing all this job problem in Kenya. Everywhere. If anybody wants to give you a job, let the person give you a job. Don't pay anything. If they call you as a pastor, as a bishop who has a crowd of people, because they use bishops to do it without their knowledge, they will tell them, I have come to your church the other day and your sermon was good. I am so person. I'm working with this type of company, so company, and we are looking for 100 job seekers. We want to help your church also, church members, to get a job. When they gather you, they start telling you that you are going to pay so amount of money so that they will start job immediately. Things like that. They do it very much in Kenya. And the people that are doing it in Kenya are these old ladies that did not marry. Old ladies in Kenya are the ones doing. There are many in Kenya. I'm telling you, in Kenya, and they are residing in Nairobi. If you are in anywhere in Nairobi, they will come to your church. That is what they do. This is their nefarious activity. So if you are in Kenya, please guide yourself. If you are in Nigeria, guide yourself. Fake job is on the line. When those fake job comes, they will tell you are going to register with so amount, maybe like 20,000 in Nigeria, or maybe in Kenya they tell you 5,000 Kenya shillings. Sometimes, if it is a high class job, they will tell you it's 50,000 Kenya shillings. You are going to pay that money, the huge amount of money, and they tell you they are going to be paying 150,000 Kenya shillings, which is almost 1.5 million in Nigeria. In Ghana, the same. Please, don't pay anybody who wants to give you a job. If that person wants to give you a job, tell him, okay, I am going to pay it when they pay me the first salary, when I start work. Reach agreement with him. That is how we run away from it. This is a tip. Share it across to people. This is wonderful love, where we share love to everyone. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if this information is good to you. But if it is not good to you, no need of you wasting your time. But before then, I say run away from troubles. Don't disclose your identity, bank identity, to anybody, so that you will not be a victim. We are to work and eat, not to work and lose. God bless all of you. My name is Ambassador Single Edwin, the man who is speaking in the wilderness until things are done right. God bless you.